Most people choose a banking app based on ads or hype, and that's where they get it wrong. Because in 2026, the difference between financial apps is not just features, it is how they handle your money day to day. In this video, we are breaking down Current versus Chime and finding out which one is actually better for your real financial life. Let's get straight into it. First, what is Chime? Chime is a mobile banking platform focused on fee-free banking, early direct deposit, and simple money management. It is built for users who want a traditional banking experience, but fully on their phone. Now, what about Current? Current is also a mobile banking app, but it focuses more on budgeting tools, faster paycheck access, and spending insights with a slightly more feature-rich dashboard. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though both apps look similar on the surface, they are designed for slightly different users. Let's start with ease of use. Chime is extremely simple. Everything is clean, minimal, and beginner-friendly. If Jake just wants a basic account to receive money and spend it, Chime feels effortless. Current, on the other hand, gives you more control and more tools, but that also means a slightly busier interface. But here's the problem most users overlook. Simple does not always mean better. Sometimes you need more control, especially if you are trying to manage spending habits. Now let's talk about direct deposit and access to money. Both apps offer early direct deposit, which is a big advantage. But the timing and eligibility can vary depending on your employer's setup. In a minute, I'll break down which app is better for saving money. Now, let's talk about budgeting. This is where Current stands out. It offers stronger real-time budgeting tools and spending breakdowns. If John struggles with overspending, Current gives him more visibility and control. Chime offers basic savings features, but they are simpler and less detailed. Now, fees and hidden costs. Both apps are generally fee-free for standard use, which is a major advantage over traditional banks. But always remember, optional features or overdraft systems can have conditions depending on usage. So which one is better? If you want simplicity, clean banking, and a no-stress setup, Chime is the better choice. If you want more control over budgeting, spending insights, and financial tracking, Current is stronger. So here's the final takeaway. Chime wins for simplicity. Current wins for control. And the best choice depends on your financial habits, not just features. If this comparison helped you understand the difference clearly, like the video, comment which app you are using, and subscribe for more clear finance breakdowns in 2026.